Hello, sunshines. Welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to be doing my crimping, waving hair routine. I've recently been really loving doing that hairstyle. It's a Friday night, so I really wanted to go for that like fun, wild, wavy hair look. The waver that I'm going to be using is from Drybar. This is actually detachable, like it has different settings that you can use, and I use this one to curl my hair and this one to crimp it. I love this one. It's probably one of my favorite ones that I've used, and I'll link it down below as well, but you can pretty much use any of them. I actually have a couple of these, so I don't know why I have so many, but I think this one is my favorite, probably because it has the adjustable temperature, which I really like, and I just feel like the waves come out really nice. So before we begin, don't forget to like and subscribe, and let's get this video started. So I did wash my hair today, but it's pretty much dry. I like to let it air dry on the days that I actually have time to do so. And I like to just brush it out first before proceeding. So I think the biggest tip with this is to actually have the clamp on the inside of your hair. So instead of going like this, you're gonna flip it over and make sure you're doing it like this, if that makes sense. Pretty much use the same technique for like all my hairstyling. Is I put it half up because I have too much hair to do it all at once, and then just kind of press it down. Let it sit for a couple of seconds and then move down. The reason I do like this hairstyle though is because it really lasts a long time. And right now it's summer and I'm in Nashville and it's so humid, and I feel like when I blow out my hair, it does not last. Like the curls fall, the waves fall. But when I waved my hair last week, I literally didn't have to touch it up for 3 days, and it was so nice. So gives you that like very wavy look, the crimp look. And I feel like it just looks so nice on everyone. Like it gives them that like extra pizzazz. So same thing, I just hold it, then I move down, and then I move down again, and then down. Make sure I get all of my hair. And then I pretty much just repeat that whole process throughout my hair. Depending on how thick your hair is, right now I have it at 450 degrees. You can just adjust the temperature to, if you have thinner hair, you might want to go a little less hot. You don't want to be burning your hair. But my boyfriend also really loves this look. I don't know why, but I have naturally straight hair, so that's probably why I just always like adding dimension, and I feel like it gives so much volume. I think I grabbed too much hair there. And then if there's like any piece that you feel like didn't get the full wave, you can just go over it. I usually do that at the end. I'll just like touch up a few spots. I do really like the Drybar waver. I don't know why, like I feel like the quality is just so much better than some of the other ones that I've tried. And I feel like when the barrels are too big, it doesn't really give me that effect that I want. So I know there's like different sizes and all of that, but I like the size of these barrels. I feel like they're perfect. So first side is done, as you can see. So we're gonna do the other side and basically repeat the same exact motion. Not to mention that I did previously put on a heat protectant, so make sure to do that before you start your hair. All right, now both sides are done. Super cute. It's coming out really well. I feel like when you first freshly do it, it just looks divine. We're gonna do the top side now. Okay, so I just brushed out my hair and then make sure I parted it in the middle. My hair does not want to part in the middle. Like, I think I've had a side part for so long that it really struggles, but you can just part it whichever way you do, and then literally repeat the same process. Make sure that the clamp is on the bottom, and then grab a piece, hold it a couple seconds, bring it down. I love this hairstyle because it also gives a lot of volume. I will do my bangs last. I can never decide if I want to like leave them straight or just also crimp them. I will probably crimp them, but look at that volume. All right, let's do my bangs. I already did them on this side. So I just press the same concept. That's pretty much, I feel like Carrie Bradshaw when I have this hairstyle, and I kind of live for it. Like I feel like, oh, Sex and the City, she's wild. She's crazy. Yes, it gives like, it makes it look like I have naturally curly hair, and I truly do not. But I feel like every girl that wishes they had straight hair has curly hair, and every curly hair girl wishes they had straight hair. So it's always what you can't have. But this is the look. I just kind of run my fingers through my hair, and then I'm gonna put in a little bit of hairspray to just kind of give it some pizzazz. I'm gonna go in with the Pro Artist Heat Complete Proactive Flexible Hairspray that sets, finishes, helps protect from heat and UV rays. What do we think? Are we loving it? Are we hating it? I know for me, I feel like I look like I have a lion's mane a little bit, but I kind of love that look, and just like the volume that it gives is phenomenal. So what I also like to do is like maybe on day 2 or 3, I'll like put it half up and like just bring out the bangs. I just think it's super fun. It gives like that really wild look. It's giving exotic. And for me, I feel like I don't have to part in the middle. I can like kind of part it anyway. So I just like to play with it and like see what the vibe is, but I'm living for it. All right, so this is the finished look. I'm loving it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. Hopefully it was helpful. I will link this down below. It does come with detachable thingies, so if you want to use that, you'll have like 3 different tools in one from Dry, which is awesome, and I just feel like you get everything all at once. Or you can just use pretty much any crimper, but love this look so much. Hopefully this helped. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Love you.